Get in, loser, we're gonna see a volcano.
Let's go see a volcano. Let's go see a volcano.
Hi.
I'm gonna get there quick. So that was 2021. This is cool. Wow. Oh, after this bridge, they're like tantalizingly close to seeing it. Oh my god. We can get close to about 500 meters. It's like standing across the room from a fire. Let's go cast into the fire. Okay. Like, that's an actual volcano, dude.
Yep, it's warm now.
Oh my god.
Can you move the rock that's on my ears? Wait, that one. Can you move it? Thanks.
sound of it sounds like the sea and a storm and fireworks all wrapped up into one, doesn't it?
Yeah, and all you can hear is just the falling rocks. Go on your trip in exploration.
Yeah, look. He's glowing under there. God, that's kind of scary, man.
God,
so this is what I'm saying. People are like walking on that crust. If you look,
your foot just needs to go through.
In between that crack here, you can see red. That is not cold.
Haze. I didn't realise how much heat haze there was between us.
Insane, yeah.
I'm getting a photo of that.
It's very. I'm not sure we can pick it up on the camera, but it's a very, very subtle crackling sound as the lava is cooling. But again, go on. That was a lot softer than I anticipated. God. So yeah, another just in here. You can see like a little red glow. So, we're gonna go.
We don't want to leave.
We've been here for over 3 hours, and it feels like 10 minutes. And it's just
crazy.
Let's go do like a 5K walk.
Do it.
Let's do it. For a long time because it's got a lot busier. So I know we got our reactions, but to see people's reactions at the first sight of the volcano it's very cool. You're sharing that excitement with people. It is like something that kind of completely bowls you over. We hope. It does look like a brownie, a burnt brownie. Hey, good job, bro. I cannot believe we passed him like this entire path. All like that ridge. He's done in the last like 2-3 hours. That's impressive. We're on the zigzag. Good job, Volvo. Blimey, that's a lot of people. Look at that.
That's a hefty amount of weight.
None of that. There's us and that. Hold on. Good job. Right, well, we did our part. What's happening? I feel like they're both kazooie. It's like you can see like the tide mark where there was lava. What? This is the second time he's died within 10 minutes. These sharks look really weird. Here it is! This is so pretty.
A nice little spot.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Whoa.
Bear.
Oh, it's actually. It's nice. Oh, it's,
We slowly poodle our way.
yeah.
Get off his nest.
Yeah.
And I'd be.
We get one free drink. It's like a shark. It's not that big, by the way. It's process. Okay. Have fun.
Are you gonna be able to...
Here we go. Round two. I feel like I've gone from Batman to Guano Man. It looks like pistachio ice cream. Hi. This is relaxing.
Warm over here.
It's warm everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no. Thank you.
Can I help you? Here's the steam room.
I'm gonna see how it is.
Cool. It's hot. Oh no, I can't see.
Whatever this is.
Look at that cheese board. It's so fancy.
Yeah. Look at this. This will do us.
Oi, see.
And my skin is so silky smooth. It's loads. What's to stop you from just going in this stuff?
Let's go.
From that rock.
Come on.
This is nice, isn't it? Hey, this is nice. This will do. Some nice solid food. If you need more, this right here. What anchor? How much is it?
Where's the anchor? I lost the anchor. I'm holding on, Captain.
About turn.
Behind the rigging.
Turn the mainsail. What's that thing spinning?
Neil, please.
Oh no, it's a glacier.
They're quite slow moving. I think it'll be all right.
That's the way to do it.
Good job. Are we done?
We're done.
Okay. Of Iceland.
That's it. We did it.
End of our time in Iceland and the end of the island.
We did it. We done
Good job, everybody.
Hold up. Good job. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up. Yay. Let's go home. You full naming him? Dustin? Dusty?
Dusty or Dustin?
Dusty. Lieutenant Dusty. Goodbye, Lieutenant Dusty.
That's my dignity.
Do, do, do. Bye, Dusty.